Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful Pebble stone craft ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So viewers, my first idea is friends, Pebble vase. Cover a plain glass vase with smooth stones. Fill it with fresh flower, dry flower or green branches for a fresh and stylish look. You can also decorate your garden with paint stone. Paint flower, leaves, butterfly, heart or inspiring word on smooth rocks. These colorful stones make your garden cheerful and welcome. And viewers, next idea is Pebble soap dish. So friends, glue flat stone into a small tray. The space between the stone help water dry away and keep the soap dry. A Pebble table centerpiece is another easy idea. Place stone in a wooden tray with candles, small plants or shell. This simple arrangement brings a peaceful, natural feeling to your living room. And friends, so my next idea is you can even a beautiful house number of welcoming use Pebbles on a wooden board. It is a creative way to decorate your front door or garden. And viewers, the best things about Pebble craft is that every project is unique. No two stones are exactly the same, making each decoration one of a kind. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.